Valencia Sky, is it still the best value in Naples? Well, let's talk about that today in this video. My name is Mindy Sylvester, and I've been selling real estate in the Naples area for about 25 years. I've sold over 100 new construction homes, and we're going to talk about that today. But first, if this is your first time to the channel, please hit the subscribe button so you'll be the first to know about the latest market real estate information in Naples. Okay, let's talk Valencia Sky. So first, I want to be clear that I do not work for Valencia Sky. I do not work for the builder. I work for buyers who are purchasing a home. So when you go to the sales center without a realtor, that agent that works at the sales center, they represent the builder. So if you come without an agent, they don't discount your price. They don't say, okay, so now you didn't have an agent, let's reduce that from the commission. No. They pay the realtor commission. So you need someone to represent you. You need someone who knows resale, how to make the best choices for resale, and just how to optimize your upgrades, your options, your lot selection, so that you can get the highest return when you sell. And that is one of the things that I have specialized in for many, many years. So if you're thinking about buying in Valencia Sky, please call me before you go to the sales center, before you contact them. I'd love to represent you and help you. It is all right. So let's talk about it. Before I say anything, is it the best value still? Well, let me tell you, they've sold 140 homes in 5 months. So I think that speaks for itself. Wouldn't you agree? 140 homes in this market, no less. So what is so great about it? Well, first of all, the location. I think the best thing about it is the location. It is just a straight shot to downtown Naples, the award-winning white sand beaches. If you haven't been to Old Naples, to downtown Naples, it is gorgeous. I mean, people who can live anywhere in the world, who have millions and hundreds of millions and even billions of dollars, choose to live in that area. You can go watch the sunset, walk a couple of blocks, and be at an amazing restaurant. It is just so spectacular to be so close to downtown. The value is exceptional. They still have great pricing. They are the Halo model and the Luna model are still around the 650 mark. Without, then you choose your upgrades in your lot and things like that. Now they do have 2 move-in ready homes. Well, they have a few move-in ready homes. I don't really like talking about prices on these videos because I don't know when you're going to watch them. So the best thing to do is just call me. I will get you the latest pricing information. But as of right now, they do have a couple of move-in ready homes. Now, that doesn't mean that they're ready right now. It just means that they are getting ready to be finished and getting ready to move in. And they have a Halo and a Luna right around $718,000, which is move-in ready. No pools, but all the upgrades have been picked out. All the finishings are done. So you could add a pool later if you wanted, in most cases, depending on the lot. But yeah, 717, move right in. And those will be ready soon. Now, the first homeowners are going to be moving in November. They're starting 4 new homes a week. So they've sold 140 homes. They've got a lot of construction to do, and the clubhouse is underway. So it is going to be an absolutely fabulous community. I have other videos on this community. I walk through some of almost all of the models. I have walkthrough videos of on my YouTube page as well. So make sure you check those out. If you want me to FaceTime you or walk through any of the models, I'm happy to do so. I'm happy to do videos walking through, driving through the community, whatever you need to get information on the community if you're not here. And of course, if you're planning a trip to Naples, make sure you call me and we can go there and check it out ourselves. So is it still the best value? Hands down, it is the best value. You can't buy a 3 to 4 bedroom home, new construction in Naples with these amenities this close to downtown anywhere else. Now, there are some other neighborhoods, new construction neighborhoods that have good values, but in this location, considering everything, oh, by the way, the amenities, I call the amenities like a cruise ship on land. They have so many clubs. I mean, you name it. If you it's a hobby, you have it, bird watching, cigars, wine, beer, cars. I mean, cards, poker, mahjong. There's so many clubs. You you won't be bored. If you want to do social activities, you will have something to do every single day and to meet people. It is the amenities, in addition to the price, in addition to the location, you just can't go wrong. So if you have any questions about Valencia Sky, please contact me. I would love to help you make it your home. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.